If you've ever searched for Whirlpool washing machine troubleshooting codes, you probably did it in a moment of frustration. The machine beeps, stops mid-cycle, and suddenly there's a strange code on the screen. F09, E01, F21. When something as basic as doing laundry turns into a guessing game, it's easy to feel stuck. Maybe the door didn't lock all the way. Maybe the water isn't draining properly. Maybe there's just something stuck in the filter. These are everyday problems, and you don't need to be a technician to understand them. You just need someone to explain what your washer is trying to say. But here's the truth. Those codes aren't random. To help you understand what those messages on your Whirlpool washer actually mean, without the stress or confusion, they're actually your washer's way of talking to you. You just need the right info, and now you know where to find it. It's saying, hey, something's off. Help me out here. And you're standing there with soaking wet laundry and zero idea what to do next. I get it. That one hose you haven't checked. That filter you didn't know existed. That click the door didn't make. It's all in the little details. And once you know where to look, everything gets a lot easier. The good news, most of the time, the issue isn't as bad as it looks. I've got you. Head over to my channel where I've explained the most common Whirlpool washing machine troubleshooting codes in detail, one by one. Whether it's a draining issue, a door lock failure, or something completely unexpected, the answer is probably already waiting for you there. Because sometimes what seems like a simple issue is actually a symptom of something else. That's why rushing to fix the wrong thing can make it worse, or cost you more than it should. And here is something most people don't realize. You might be one small fix away from getting your machine back to normal. But, and this is important, don't start unscrewing everything just yet. That's why I made this video. Not to throw a bunch of technical codes at you, but to start the conversation. And if you're dealing with a specific code that's not covered here, don't you worry. You don't need to be a repair expert to fix your washer.